DJ Vitor SC.
Tulungan pa rin. Ikwan, hiwi. So, my name is Trishan G. Compito and I'm just showing you the trading in Untitled Boxing game. So, quick guide in Untitled Boxing game, you can trade gloves. Auras and other item with other player. It's a great way to get cool stuff, help friends, or collect rare items. So, what is trading? Trading means swapping items with other player. You give them something and they give you something in return. Like rare gloves or effect. Why trade? Get gloves or auras you don't have, trade extras for something better, collect rare or limited time items. So, how to trade? Use the endgame trade menu to send or accept trades. Make sure both sides agree before confirming the trade. Make sure both sides agree before confirming the trade. Always double check the items before clicking accept. No take backs. Trading tips: know the value. Some gloves are rarer than others. Don't fall for scam. Only trade through the official trade system. Be respectful, fair trade, good reputation.
Prepare-se, a festa vai começar.